Here I've got Xiaomi Black Shark 3 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. At first we have to click on the camera button here to open it, and we are for now in the standard photo mode, so the Xiaomi device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion, and we have to change it. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply go to the left. As you can see, for now we are in the slow motion mode, and we can just simply start recording by using this big red button. We can also change the speed of the slow motion by using this button in the center. So when we tap on this, we can pick the speed from 90 and 20 thousandths of FPS, 120 FPS, 240 FPS, and 480 FPS. So this is how it changes here. And for now I'm going to stay on 120 FPS to show you how it works, and let me start recording. And stop. Now let's go to the preview here in the left corner at the bottom and play. So this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device and works. That's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.